So I'm guessing a lot of manufacturers in China, some have good quality control and some don't. How do you find one that has good quality control?
First, you ask them if they have quality control people, workers there, or they have an area doing it. And second, you just go and see.
Okay. Then make sure they're actually doing it.
Yeah, usually if they really have a quality control area, and when I visit them, I can see it. Yeah,
Okay,
but
cool.
there are factories like they are good on putting on a show. Like
Mm,
yeah, so they know when you are coming, so they put people working there. Yeah, but after you leave, and yeah, no one will do the work. First time I will make appointment with them, and second time, yeah, I just start to go there
just show up.
randomly. Yeah. And the other thing is when I go there, it's usually the end of the production line. First, I can check the finished goods, and second, I can check their production line. Yeah.
Okay.